Hi guys, so we're back with part 2 and of our retro Daisy Granny Square, the Rosalina version. So for this video that I've always forget, hi, I'm Christine and this is Guys the Crafts. For today's video, we will do the part 2 of assembling the book sleeve. So at the part 1 we did the retro Daisy Granny Square. Now we're going to assemble, but I'll show you. I did 6 of the retro Daisy Granny Square. We have the blue, the orange, green, pink, yellow, and purple. So we need 6 to be able to make our book sleeve, and for the joining together we will crochet it together. We'll be using this brown color. It's a light brown, same as the one in the middle, and a 3.5mm hook. So that's the gist, and let's get started. Hi guys, so let's put this together. So how I arranged the book sleeve is like this, but of course you can arrange it the way you want. I just want to arrange it like this. So yeah, so this is the one that I like to arrange the book sleeve, but it's up to you what you like. So we will connect it here, right here, and right there. So first we will just connect right there. So we'll get this. We'll get this two first, and we'll go get the brown one. We'll do a slip knot. Okay. Now what you're going to do is, there's 2 chain right here. Insert in the second chain. So 1, 2. Chain beside the double crochet. So that's here beside the double crochet. And we will insert the slip knot, pull the slip knot right there, and then insert again right here, insert on the other side, then yarn over and pull through the 3 loops. Again, on this side, go to the other side, yarn over, and then slip stitch both way through. Again, go to this side and this side, yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through, in, then, okay? So we will do that until we reach right here, and I'll come back. Okay, Okay, we're near. Just a few stitches. And the first chain as well. And then we'll get this to right here, and like the one we did in the first one, we'll just repeat that so that it'll be connected as well. Okay, so it's still the same, just do the chain first, just connect with the back's loop part right here. Okay, so it's like connected, so I will go until right here and then we'll come back. Okay, we're near the end. Also will end in the first chain space right here, and then chain one, cut the yarn, slip stitch to secure right there. So we will do the same to this side right here. So we'll start here, going up, same as what we did to this side. Okay, so this is what it looked like when we attach this one and this one. So we will attach all the way through that part, and we will do the same as how we connect it. Okay, so we'll get back. Okay, so we're near the end right here. I will not cut, so we'll continue this. Last stitch, then chain one with a single crochet in this space right here, one single crochet, and in every stitch we will do single crochet. So just single crochet all around in every stitch until we reach right here. Okay, we're near here in the corner, so continue. We put 2 on the space right here to continue in there. And then 2 more on the space, but not stitching on the other side. And then single crochet in each of the stitch, single crochet, and then I'll come back to you when I'm in here. Okay, we are in near the end in here. So for the chain 2 space right here, we will just do a single crochet, and then on here we will do a single crochet again, and then on the space a single crochet, and then from here to here we also will do just a single crochet in each of the stitch, and then we will come back to right here, just single crochet in each of the stitch. Okay, we're here near in the corner. We'll just do 4 single crochet in the chain 2 space here in the corner. So that's 2, 3, 4, and then we will do what we did on his side, but first we will do single crochet in each of the stitch until we reach right here. I'll come back. So just single crochet in each stitch. Okay, we're here, backed. We do a single crochet on the chain space right here, then single crochet here in the middle part, and then in the chain 2 space a single crochet as well, and single crochet 13. So in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and then we will do the same as what we did in his part. So released, count 3 backwards, 1, 2, 3. On the third one, insert your hook, get the loop, pull, and then do single crochet, connect. So we will repeat what we did here. So single crochet, we do single crochet, pull, go insert in the next stitch, pull your yarn, go there and insert again, single crochet, remove, insert to the next stitch, get the stitch, pull, and then repeat until we reach the corner right here. Okay, we're here in the chain 2 space. We will do 2, that's connecting like what we did on the other side. So, and then the other 2 we will not connect, and just a single crochet in from here up to there, and then I'll get back to you. We're in the end. We're near the end. So we in the chain 2 space we did a single crochet. We will just do chain 8. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then slip stitch on the beginning here. There's like a single crochet on top of it, and just slip stitch right there, and then cut the yarn, then we will weave in the ends. I weave in all the ends of the granny square already, so we only have few of the ends to weave in. So we'll turn it upside down, not upside down, but like wrong side out, and then we will weave in the ends. Okay, so just cutting like the ends right here. one more here to weave in. And then we will just do like the last step, which is put the buttons. Okay. So I will just need to weave in this part right here. Okay. And then cut. So we're done. All the ends are weaved. So we need to put a button right here. Button is just choose what's you liked for a button. So it's really up to you. I think which button I like. So this one because it has like a multiple color right there. Just get like I think this, yeah, and just get one strand of the yarn right here, and then just attach the button. And that will be like our finishing touch. So that our book sleeve have some closure. Just do it like a few times. Okay. And then just tie it to secure. And then just hide the ends. Okay, and then we are done. And that's it for our tutorial. This will be the result of the book sleeve. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned new things, and I know this is a different type of crocheting together, a granny square, but yes, anyways, that's it for me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, because the next one we have a lot of things that we're planning to do. So yep, thank you. Leave the comment, like, subscribe. That's all for me. Bye.